Munches. It's your girl V, and I'm back, and I'm so excited. Okay. Let's not address the monkey in the room, or is it the elephant?
It's a car. Look at it. I mean, it's.
Stop coming for me. Stop coming. This is a whole.
That's that thing those people that do the artists wear.
I'm so excited for my bonnet. That's why we're here. Nah, seriously. We are here to do the water challenge created by the Turner Sistahs. So if you guys haven't seen it yet, go check them out. Go like and subscribe. I liked the video. I liked the challenge. So I thought me and my daughter would give it a shot. I had just recently told somebody that we were going to dull it down on the challenges. Do you know somebody actually told me, they was like, what's up with the challenges? I'm like, we do a variety of things. Y'all probably just seen me lick my lip in a corner because it was like some dry something going on. Okay, so yeah, so they were like, we just missed you doing, you know, the food videos, and I plan on doing that. I'm going to keep continuing to do that. I just like doing a variety of things. And so today we're doing the water challenge. We have to drink 3 of the 16-ounce. I'm hoping I'm correct.
Maybe we should, like, are we allowed to, like,
you can have prepare and get it open. Yeah. 3 of the 16-ounce water bottles. We got ours from the fabulous 7-Eleven. Yes. So it's not spring water, it's just purified. So oh, she getting all of hers ready. She like, I'm about to be big ready. So we have to drink all 3 of these waters in 2 minutes. I thought it was 3, but we just double checked a few minutes ago, and it was definitely 2. So I'm a little bit, you know, I'm a little bit shocked. Okay. But I'm still so excited. So I'm going to give it a shot. This one over here, my daughter, she loves water. She'll drink water all day long. She loves water, which is a healthy thing. It's good for you. That's awesome. I, on the other hand, am a little terrible with my water. And when I say little terrible, I mean a lot of terrible, because like, I love me some iced tea. I love my coffee. I love my Starbucks. You know, all of that stuff. I feel like there's hair in my face. Look, my bonnet is not controlling. It's not controlling the frizz. Okay, so, y'all know I'm so weird. I am. So we're going to do that. We're going to do it in 2 minutes. At least I know I'm going to try to do it in 2 minutes. She might do it in 2 minutes. I'm telling you, she loves water. We already got the timer on 2 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see it. I am using the 10E, and normally on my iPhone, just like a black background, so it makes the numbers stand out a little better. I'm not hating on Android because it's mine too. I got the
I
iPhone
hate Android
and this one. So
no offense.
I'm a big. I used to be team Android 100%, but now I'm team iPhone.
You're team both.
And temporarily using right, and also using. I can't even say temporary.
You're in the middle.
I have right. I'm like,
she doesn't care.
I'm neutral at this point. So let's just say that I'm team neutral.
iPhone for the quality.
I'm just team
Android
phone.
For the features.
I'm team keep a phone. That's it. I like this one for specific reasons. I like my iPhone for specific reasons. So all right.
She's team keep 10 phones.
I'm just wow. We're throwing me under. Wow. Back to the water challenge. Okay. So let's get started. I'm a little scared.
I feel like if I drink water, I can't get my lifestyle quite right.
I swear I'm like tapping it. I even have my babies. I have my babies on the phone. I lost my. Why are you laughing so hard? Is it because of my bonnet?
Yes, I can't help it. All right,
hold on. Let me pose. Let me pose.
kind of pose?
I'm striketh in a pose. Remember,
You're an artist. Like what? This is what artists wear. How do artists do this?
I'm about to paint you a picture.
Mommy, that might be the technique for artists. Like when they paint stuff, maybe they just need one eye. It helps them paint better.
Well, then I would want to. Yeah, I definitely want to use this eye because this is my bad eye. So I'm gonna cover the bad eye. Do I look like I'm ready to paint? Well, now I'm about to paint you a picture of me failing this challenge. So let me hit it. Not trying to speak failure. I'm just saying this one likes water big time. I like water. I just don't drink it as much as I probably should. Especially when you talking about, we need you to drink 8 to 10, 12, 14 glasses a day.
I steal your water all the time.
All right, are we ready? I've prolonged it long enough.
All right.
Where's the clock?
In your hand.
I mean, like, where is it at as far as like, it's my phone and I don't, there it goes. Is that it?
No, it's right there.
See, I don't even use my own stuff.
Right.
Okay. 2 minutes. Getting ready to go. I'm gonna hit the timer and we're gonna get cracking. Let's go. This is already a fail. No.
My stomach hurts.
Oh my God. I would say excuse me, y'all, but y'all know. That's what I do. I don't know. How much is left on the timer?
1 minute and 58 seconds.
Oh my gosh. It's a lot. Oh my gosh, you got 2 there. Oh my God. This is a lot. Oh my gosh, my stomach hurt. Where are you going?
My stomach hurts.
But you left. I don't know. I don't know if I can
I
do
don't
it.
consume this much water in one time.
Yeah, no, I didn't want to. Is this normal?
Ah,
She got it.
that hurts.
She got it.
I just want the biggest burp to come out, but it's not happening.
Look, I had 1 whole bottle. What's the time? Sure, I'm still. It's 1 minute and 58 seconds still. I still have time, right? So I still have time.
It's almost over, actually.
Is it? Are you sure?
Yeah, look at the circle. I think.
Yo, this timer is moving.
Yeah, it's about to reach 2 minutes. Wait, no, it's not.
Is it? I'm messing up. You already won.
I already finished, yeah.
You already won.
Do you still have time?
This is hard. And I'm just.
It hurts right here.
Yeah, and the messed up part about it is right before I started doing the challenge, I had a McDonald's tea. My husband put on a pot of coffee. I don't think I want that coffee no more. Wow.
I finished.
I think it's a wrap. I'm still waiting for the circle to close, but she won. Look.
You didn't even get down half a bottle.
I did too.
Bro.
I did too. I just hey, don't make fun of me like that. You just came for me like I couldn't even finish two. She crushed all three. Dang it. So she did those like legit, y'all. Less than, yeah. You know what's so funny, Jasmine?
Mm-hmm. It's not the wrong timer, is it?
Yeah, you had it on 2 hours.
Oof. Well,
you did it though. Like you had it. She had it locked. That's why I was like, why is this thing still counting?
well, it's been 3 minutes, and I beat it before that.
Yeah, she did. You did it less than 2. She did it less than 2 minutes. I of course failed. I knew it though. I'm not shocked. Like I knew that. And like even right now, I can still feel it right here.
I don't. And mine actually feels better. It feels a lot better.
We're gonna do a thumbnail because we forgot to do a
like
thumbnail.
That?
Yeah, just
get some more waters.
Hold up your crushed bottle and do a thumbnail. Hey, but why in the thumbnail it makes it look like I actually crushed the waters?
Well, it made you look like I
So even as y'all watching the video, you're watching the part where I'm like, let's do a thumbnail. But I picked up the empty bottles. So, hey y'all, we already know how this went.
I feel like I just ate like a bunch of Thanksgiving
Yeah, it
That's
fills you up.
like.
But that's why they say the more water you drink, sometimes the fuller you feel, and the less
And the more pain you
overeating,
feel.
and the less overeating you'll do. So
no, this is called over drinking.
if you're a person who loves burping, you're gonna love this video. Alright, you guys, you already know how this video went. Hit that like and subscribe for me. Tap that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. I appreciate you guys. Oh wait, what was that?
You just made water come out of the thing and almost threw your phone.
I appreciate you guys.
Don't do that.
Support. Always, always, always. I appreciate all of you guys' support. I appreciate you guys. Keep coming back for more. Let me know if there's something you guys suggest for the next video. I'm open to suggestions.
No puns intended. Not intended because it doesn't make sense. Because it's suggestions. It's suggestion, not suggestions.
Anywho, so
I've been making jokes all day.
What are you talking about?
Corny jokes. Corny jokes, by the way.
What are you talking about? No, so yes, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, you guys. I appreciate you, especially all of you, the ones who have been sticking through. You guys are awesome. I'll see you in the next video. Let us know what you think, how we did with the challenge, or should I say how she did with the challenge. And take it on yourself if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I think I'm going to go ahead and challenge a couple of people to do it. I don't know if everyone has already done it. I just stumbled across it. So, you know what I mean? And I liked it. I'm going to call out Simply K Simone. And I'm going to call out, who else? Who else? What are you waiting for?
I don't know. Cause I don't,
I don't even know who else to call out for this challenge, but definitely Simply you know who I'm gonna call out? I'm gonna call out Picky Dale. I'm gonna call out Simply K Simone for this challenge. And
you said Simply
that's
K
it.
Simone like 4 times.
Yeah. I love her. She's awesome. She's gotta be like one of the best supporters on YouTube. If you guys don't have her, you already know what to do.
Find her. She like a
yeah, I did her ghetto taco challenge, and that was hilarious. So without keeping this video stretching any further, You know what to do. Love you guys. Bye, babies. We so angry.